Hello student, now in this video we will discuss about the following question. Question first, difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures with examples. The difference of the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. The homogeneous mixture, uniform composition throughout, and heterogeneous mixture, non-uniform composition throughout. Constituents cannot be separated by simple physical methods. The constituents can be separated by simple physical methods. Example, mixture of salt in water, sugar in water, copper sulfate in water, iodine in alcohol, alloys and air. The example of suspension, heterogeneous mixture, composition of mixtures of sodium chloride and iron filling salt and sulfur, and oil and water, and chalk powder in water, and wheat flour in water, milk and water. Question second, how are salt solution and suspensions different from each other? Salt has a heterogeneous mixture, solution has homogeneous mixture, and suspension has a heterogeneous mixture. The second point of solute particles cannot be seen with the naked eye. The solute particles cannot be seen with the naked eye. And in suspension, solute particles can be seen with the naked eye. In salt, spread uniformly throughout the mixture. In solution, spread uniformly throughout the mixture, and suspension, suspended throughout the mixture. Example, the salt shows Tyndall effect, and the solutions Tyndall effect is not observed, and the suspensions Tyndall effect is observed. Example, milk of magnesia. Example of solution, salt in water, sugar in water, iodine in alcohol, alloys. An example of suspension, chalk powder and wheat flour and water. Question third, to make a saturated solution in 30 gram sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. Find its concentration at this temperature. Given the question, mass of solute. Here sodium chloride is the solute. The mass of solute is 36 gram. Mass of solvent, here water, is equal to 100 gram. Then mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So 36 plus 100 equal to 136. Therefore the concentration, mass by mass percentage of the solution. The formula is mass of solute and divided by mass of solvent into 100. So 36 divided by 136 into 100 is equal to 26.47%.